Good morning my friends and strangers. Hello, hi, namaste to everyone watching this video. I am your tech Musafir here. So I have brought a great line of Apple products today for the unboxing, as this is my first ever YouTube channel. So please do keep watching till the end and like, share and subscribe it please. So first is the Apple iPhone Pro Max that I will be unboxing. Boom, boom, here it comes. Then we have the 20-watt Apple adapter. Then we have the Magsafe Charger, and next is the Airpods Pro, and not last but the least, Apple Watch, and at last the Macbook Pro. So guys, this is the iPhone 12 Pro Max 256GB silver color stainless steel. It really feels amazing. I guess I should hold it with my bare hands because this product deserves great care. Wow, the build is really, the finish and the build quality, I really feel great getting transition from the Android to Apple, since I am not a great Apple fan. So I'm really happy Apple has really great amazing product. So owning such a premium thing really feels great. So let me just put it aside and show you what other things are included. So this is the lightning cable, and we have got a user manual and the big iPhone 12. This is all we get. We don't get an adapter now, since Apple is on for reducing the e-waste that it generates every year. So it's good for environment, bad for our pockets. We have unboxed the 20-watt adapter of the Apple, which has a user manual, which is quite useless, and this small 20-watt adapter, just that in this box, which costs us 1800. Why does Apple can't give the Lightning C and the adapter along with this iPhone 12 Pro Max, when it can charge such a huge amount for this? And does it really produce so much of e-waste? I don't think so. Rest is up to you to decide. Boxed the Magsafe Charger with our dear weapon, Mr. Knife. So bye bye Mr. Knife, rest a while over there. So here is the manual. Again, in this, the same sheet manual in all the products. And here is the Magsafe Charger. Wow. I put the Magsafe Charger on to charge now, and let's just put the iPhone and see how does it charge. Wow, great animation and quite strong hold. You have to turn phone around to remove it with one hand. It fits in every time I put it anywhere over the phone. At the unboxing of the iPhone 12 Pro Max, the Magsafe Charger and the 20-watt adapter, we have three more things lined up: the Airpods Pro, the iWatch and the MacBook Pro M1. So as I had promised, here is the whole lot displayed over you over the table. So this is the Apple iPhone 12 Pro Max with 256GB, and it has got 3684 mAh battery, 6.7-inch screen, stainless steel frame, matte finish. It's really amazing. The feel to the hand is so amazing and soothing to the hands. I really can't say it unless you feel it with your hands. The real quality premiumness can be felt. And yeah, it's justified to give 1,30,000 suppose for this phone, rather than buying the Apple iPhone 12 or 12 Pro, which has less battery backup, although the screen resolutions are less. 6.1 and 6.4, but all the three Apple iPhone 12, 12 Pro and 12 Pro Max have Super Retina XDR display. So there you won't find any compromise. It has got the Face ID and passcode to unlock. There is no in-screen fingerprint sensor in Apple, as you know. So here is the lightning cable and a manual and a big sticker that really fits into only. This is probably the only device that Apple has made, I think, which this Apple big sticker really fits in. So here is the 20-watt adapter, and which has got a user manual in it. And this 20-watt adapter, let's remove the film over it, and this is the 20-watt adapter, as you can see. Then we have the Magsafe Charger. The 20-watt adapter costs around 1800 over Amazon and Flipkart, and you can find the Magsafe Charger around 4500. The build quality is really great. So after the unboxing Apple iPhone 12 Pro Max, the adapter and the Magsafe Charger, now it's the time for Airpods Pro. So here is the user manual, and this is the small cutie pie, amazingly packed. So here is the lightning C cable to it. So the AirPods Pro come with a lightning cable and user manual, as you can see. It's quite short. It has got L and R written. It has got active noise cancellation. The magnetic field as it locks into the case is amazing. Wow, indeed a great product. So let us keep it aside. Now it's the time for iWatch. Let's unbox the iWatch. You can't just hold and wait when you have got so many such wonderful products around you. Apple is known for its premiumness, as you all know. And premium products do come with a premium price, but the price is worth to pay for. Wow, it's really wonderfully packed. So here is the watch. Here is the user manual. So I've unboxed the iWatch, and it has got a wireless charger to it and the sports band. It's silver color, as you can see it. It's quite a mess over my table now. So it comes already with an extra band. As you can see, there are two bands over here. So you already get an extra band to it. Just insert and just slide it down. Just get it into the groove and slide it from left to right. So it fits in really well, the sports band. So we have unboxed the Airpods Pro, the mobile phone, Apple iPhone 12 Pro Max, the 20-watt adapter, the Magsafe Charger. Now the iWatch has been unboxed, which has got a user manual, an extra sports band, along with the mandatory two bands and a wireless charger. So most all of the products have been unboxed. The iWatch, the AirPods Pro, the iPhone, the chargers, all have been unboxed. Now it's time for the big brother, the MacBook Pro M1. So I just can't wait but tear it down to reveal this big machine. It's 13-inch but quite powerful enough. So we have unboxed the Apple Macbook Pro M1 series, and it comes with a thin film of protection. All the Apple products come with a thin film of protection, which is really amazing, quite impressive. So you will have the user manual, the power adapter, and like in the charging cable. Just keep it aside. Is this space gray color? So let me just reveal you as soon as I raised. So we have completed the unboxing of all the items that were lined up today for this unboxing video of our YouTube channel. And at last we have a sweet dessert, that is the Airtag for unboxing. So let me just unbox this sweetness and show you how does it feel and look like. So it's a complete investment of 3.5 lakh just for this YouTube video and just for you all viewers. I hope you liked it. So keep pace till I unbox this. Airtag has been unboxed and it comes with a user manual, and this Airtag is encapsulated within this. Wow. As you all know, all the Apple products have a thin film of protection over it. Wow. So this is the Apple Airtag that has been recently launched to locate your devices or the luggage that you are carrying on. Completed our unboxing video. All the products that were lined up for this unboxing video of the YouTube channel: the iWatch, the Airpods Pro, the adapter, the Magsafe Charger, the 12 Pro Max 256GB silver, and the Apple MacBook Pro. So we are all done with the video, and I hope you have enjoyed and liked the video. Do like and share and subscribe this channel so that you can watch more entertaining and more videos I can bring about, so that you can feel more entertained. So yeah, don't forget to like and share among your friends. Do comment in the comment box what more you want to see and what more areas do you want me to cover. So that's all for today. See you on the next vlog. Thanks. Bye bye. Namaste. Sayonara. Hasta la vista, baby.